With the new AI generator in the Virbo editor, you can easily create AI kissing videos by simply uploading a photo and writing a prompt. Curious how it works? Let me show you. First things first, head over to the Virbo web app using the link in the description. Good news, you'll get 2 free minutes of credits to test it out. Once you're in, you'll land on Virbo's freshly redesigned homepage. Right at the top, you'll see the main features of Virbo AI. Hover over the avatar video option and click Create Video. After that, select your preferred aspect ratio and hit Create Video to get started. On the left side, you'll find all the essential tabs for editing, such as templates, avatars, backgrounds, text, stickers, music, and the import tab, all in one place. But the real game changer? The brand new AI Generation tab. This is where the magic happens. Under this tab, you'll find 2 powerful tools: the AI Video Generation feature and the AI Audio Generation feature. While the audio tool lets you create music, songs, or sound effects with just a prompt, our focus today is on the AI Video tool, specifically the image-to-video model. Here's how it works. To create an AI kissing video, upload an image of the 2 people you want to kiss. If you don't have a single photo of them together, don't worry! You can easily merge 2 separate images into one using a free tool like Pine Tools. Once you've got your image, upload it to Virbo and type your prompt. Something like, make the 2 people in the picture kiss each other. Then hit Generate. Within a few minutes, you'll have your AI-generated kissing video ready to share. And just like that, you've brought a still photo to life with an AI-generated video. If this gave you a wow moment, let's keep the excitement going. Hit that like button. And if you want to keep discovering AI tools that'll blow your mind, stick around by subscribing. Who knows? The next video might have exactly what you're dreaming to create.